Hi! In front of me is Motorola Defy, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and just download your Nudifood app, in my case Opera Mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to install and click on Home button. Now go into Settings. Over here, you need to click on Apps and Notifications, select Advanced and click on the food apps. After that, select one of those sections. I will change my browser, so I have to click on Browser app, click on an app that you wish to set up, in this case Opera Mini, and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!